As parents, we, Vijay and Pinky Sharma, are incredibly proud to be a part of Baldwin's Boys High School family. Our son, Taksh Sharma, currently studying in class 5D, has had an enriching and transformative journey at this esteemed institution. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to Principal Angel Mary Ma'am and the entire faculty for their commitment to excellence in education and extracurricular activities. Under the dedicated guidance of his class teacher Shirley Ma'am and his subject teachers Shirin Ma'am, Janice Ma'am and Nilufar Ma'am, Taksh has excelled academically, securing the general proficiency first place. He secured first place in dance, Hindi elocution, card competition, role play, along with securing fifth place in singing. Additionally, he is the class topper in the GK Olympiad. He has also had the honor of being the master of ceremonies for Hindi Divas, where he was highly appreciated for his confidence and presentation skills. We are especially proud of his leadership role as the Whites captain of Oldham House, where he has learned valuable lessons in teamwork and responsibility. Baldwin's Boys High School places great emphasis on holistic development. The school offers a variety of extracurricular activities including chess, karate, football, hockey, basketball, cricket, to name a few, providing students with ample opportunities to explore their interests. His football coaches, Giri sir, Shalam sir, and Karthik sir, had played a crucial role in fostering discipline and sportsmanship in him. The school also provides a platform for students to showcase their creativity and knowledge across various subjects like science, robotics, arts, social studies, Hindi, Kannada, and more. These opportunities encourage innovation, critical thinking, and self expression, allowing students to explore their passions beyond the classroom. Baldwin's Boys High School has truly nurtured Taksh's potential, making his school life not just about academics but a journey of self-discovery and growth. We highly recommend Baldwin's Boys High School to any parent for an excellence in academics, sports and character building, preparing students for a bright future.